How to fix Airalo app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if app is up to date or not. For that, launch your app store. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Airalo, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, what you have to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Now over here, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head over to the app URL, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app, then click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can launch it and check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what I can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted Airalo app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your app store, search for the app Airalo. After app appears, install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Airalo app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.